Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, December the 4th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is email address you can use if you have any questions for me. This is a link to get into the free room, 100% free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. And this is a subscription link. There's a promo code, 15% off. First month of a standard or premium subscription, or the entire year of a standard or premium. I open the room I'm going to say tomorrow. Open the room every day at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen. Get live in the mic at 9:05. I go to 3:30, up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays, and 3 o'clock, up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. Tomorrow the market is closed. In case you don't know, the ex-president George Bush Sr. died on Friday. Funerals on Wednesday, and typically U.S. markets, out of respect, close on those days. It's only been two in the past, I think, when Gerald Ford and Richard Nixon passed away. The markets were closed also. So anyway, so the market is not open tomorrow. Of course, the room will not be either. So what happened today? Well, first of all, there's some pretty exciting action in the SPY. I think that right there, again, coming into contesting perhaps that there is a China-U.S. deal on tariffs in place. So I think this is what has spooked the market right there. And so the market is taking a big downturn right now as we speak. And before that, though, this is what a lot of us were trading, and this is what I traded. I traded the best one for me today certainly was Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers had earnings. The initial reaction released earnings before the market opened. Right here, there's that tan area, moved down, and then it started to move up. And this came on the gap down and reverse scanner that I have. And so I ended up taking this trade over the whole number, 32.22. I took out a little piece. I was a little bit skeptical. Now remember, the market at that time was probably just doing this, not really doing too much. You know, it had fallen a little bit once the market opened, was kind of just hanging around that area. So I decided to take the trade over the whole number, but that's why I took a little bit out just in case, because remember, for all the reasons why it had moved down, they were still in place. And then look what it did. I mean, these are 15-minute candles. That was just a tremendous trade. I got out some, but my average is about 33.60. So from 32.33 up to 33.60, that was just a tremendous trade for a lot of us in the room. And also, it was a Holly alert. Let me just see where Holly had it. I got in a little bit ahead of Holly. There was the Holly alert. Actually, it was at 32.33, yes. So I'm sorry, I got in here just a little ahead of Holly. But Holly had the alert at 32.33, and so that was probably one of the better ones of the day, especially with the market being what it is, kind of topsy-turvy. Now, I am in this one, and it's now starting to work, HDS. This was another earnings play. It gapped up a little bit pre-market, but with the market doing this, starting to do this, I decided that I wanted to take this if it went negative. And now we're 12 cents to the negative. This was right around here. Right about there is where I'm in this one. 39.59, I think. 39.59. And that is where it turned negative, just by a penny or so. So I'm going to hang on to see what happens with this one, see if this can keep going down with the rest of the market. And, you know, watching this one, I probably should get back into the room. That's about all I really want to talk about. Carvana was, I was able to trade Carvana. It was a tough one, though. I was in this one early. I took a little loss. While this was happening right there, that's when the market was doing its thing, coming down, and then Carvana popped up, or it might have popped up there. So it was very kind of frustrating to watch the market do this and Carvana do that, because this is negative for the day. So eventually, it finally, along with the rest of the market, did what I was hoping. So I was able to short this one right around here, 38.59, and got out of it at 38.05, and it popped. I mean, so it's kind of trading on its own. It's not tracking the entire market. But as I say, I'd like to get back into the room to see, just to, you know, keep a close eye on that HDS short, see if it has, you know, if it can get down closer to that whole number. So that is about it. I know I did take LEVB in the pre-market, but that's not really worth talking about. So toll was the big one, though. I think a lot of us were able to get into this one right in this area, and we're able to ride it up. Actually got positive. I mean, if you can believe it, it actually got positive for a brief time after being negative for quite a while. All right, I want to get back into the room, bring back my capture program. I know this is going to be a quick video, but got to watch that HDS very closely. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. This is the link for the live trading room, 100% free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. So I'll open the room on Thursday. Remember, the market is closed tomorrow. So I'll open the room on Thursday at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you in the room then. Bye-bye.